In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place limit orders using the position tools on TradingView the correct way. By the end, you'll know how to turn a visual plan on your chart into a precise limit order that matches your entry, stop loss, and take profit. First, move to the left toolbar and open the prediction and measurement tools. This is where you'll find the long position and short position tools. Choose long position if you plan to buy with the expectation that price will rise, or short position if you plan to sell expecting a drop. This choice just affects how the tool displays potential risk and reward. It doesn't place any trades yet. Now click directly on the chart at the exact price level where you want your limit entry. This anchors the position tool to your intended entry. With it placed, drag the top and bottom handles to set your take profit and stop loss visually. Take a moment to align these levels with your trading plan. The tool shows your risk-to-reward ratio and the exact entry price, so make sure those numbers look right for you. Zoom in if needed to line it up precisely and avoid off-by-a-tick errors. Next, look carefully at the entry price displayed on the position tool. You'll use that exact number in your order ticket so your live order matches the plan on your chart. Open the trading panel at the bottom of the chart. If you have a connected broker or paper trading enabled, you'll see the order ticket. Select Limit Order as the order type. A limit order tells your broker to execute only at your chosen price or better, which is ideal for planned entries. Type in the exact entry price shown on the position tool. Precision matters here. Symbols have different decimal places, so double-check you haven't rounded unintentionally. If your platform supports it, enter your position size and set your stop loss and take profit in the ticket to mirror what you set visually. This keeps everything consistent and helps automate risk management. Finally, choose Buy Limit if you're planning a long position at or below the current price, or Sell Limit if you're planning a short position at or above the current price. Click to place the order, and your limit will sit in the market until price reaches your entry. That's it. Using the position tools keeps your planning clear and your execution precise. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.